No, this town. We live in a dangerous world. The police in this town are simply unprepared for them. God damn it.
I wanted to get
Cut that out. Splice that out of that.
You gotta go for at least 5 seconds.
5 seconds, really?
Alright, let's do it again. I'm gonna do the night shot. Same take. Rolling.
Can't help but laugh when you look at Catman's face.
Oh no!
You're shaking.
Yeah.
Be it mental, physical. Today's technology is really, what was I saying? Today's technology.
Jersey, 90 degrees outside. 90 degrees outside. 90 degrees outside.
VHS collection. Ooh, Jenna Elfman, Criminal's Drive. Just a dream!
Okay, just stop.
Here, move it. See this paper in the way? Yeah, well, you don't have to take. Yeah, that'd be cool. Thanks, man. Alright, keep it going.
Sweet.
Close color.
God damn.
The All-American. A lot of other calls today. Come on, Neil. They have made a lot of.
Yeah, you didn't say blueberry either.
Ready?
The show is tonight! Open your diaphragm.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it.
Please think I'm a femme. Call me names. It'll be funny. It's not really true. Just I forgot the next one.
Totally in the shot, okay, man.
up.